But do you know what? I think we need to give you a chance. I've got more power than you, so we need to get you into something more powerful. I'm going to go in another Can-Am, you can go in another Polaris, but they'll both have more power. Let's step things up a bit. We're in similar vehicles, this time two-seaters, Sam.
Yeah.
So we've got the same engines, but they're tuned. This tuned Can-Am Maverick R XRS and is also running on ethanol. So it has 400 horsepower and 361 Newton meters of torque. With these upgrades, it costs $60,000. This tuned Polaris RZR Pro R has a new turbo upgraded engine and is running on ethanol. So now it has 480 horsepower and 407 Newton meters of torque. With those upgrades, it costs $64,000. Let's have a little listen to them. They also have launch control. Oh, smells of methanol. So we're a little bit frightened. These are going to be a bit scary, I think. Best 2 out of 3, Sam. 2 out of
A few moments later.
Four-wheel drive. It's gone. The drive shaft from back to front's toast. It did a funny thing where it like dropped out of launch. Right, so we've upped the ante somewhat. I'm here with NASA. Hello, NASA. This thing's crazy, isn't it?
It is.
1,700 horsepower. Do you think you're going to beat that?
Oh yeah, it is.
The Funco GTU has a 7.4 litre twin turbo V8, 1,700 horsepower, 1,763 Newton meters. It's rear wheel drive, weighs 1,200 kilograms and costs £300,000. I don't know what happened. I'm quite glad I wasn't in that vehicle because it seemed to go quite sideways and I can't see it anymore, so I don't know where it is. I think Sam lost.
I win.
No, you didn't win.
No.
I thought you'd be more covered in sand than this.
My only objective was to stay
away.
I mean, that's ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. Okay, here we come to the main event. It's the blower, 8.5 litres, 4,000 horsepower. We're not going to put it against anything else, and you'll see why in a moment, because it's just crazy what it does, and we'll find out exactly how fast it is over the 100 metres. Let's do it. I actually felt that inside my internal organs. Wow.
Oh my God.
I think that won the race.
Best 2 out of 3?
They have to rebuild the engine before they can do that. So
Yeah, I just had a bit of a chest thing, so I thought I'll let him have a go.
Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed in you really, Sam.
No, it's not, it's only
one
fair.
thing me being a little bit chicken, but you. A mad 2.5 seconds over the 100 metres. And if you pause the video now, you can compare how each of the cars we've run today measure up to one another over the 100 metres.